session. Today was Monday. Market kind of slow, but you can see what we can see, what we can make out of the market. Boy. All right. Session. Today was Monday. Market kind of slow. My God. All right. Let's clear off these charts. So I'm going to be using my strategy. I'm going to be using my strategy. For those who are on my TikTok, my YouTube is in my bio. If you're not already on my YouTube, guys, I won't be able to share my screen right here. So, ooh, I woke up to a brilliant news. BTC is now at 122,000. Actually, no. BTC went all the way up to 123,000. Give it up for BTC. My God. Give it up for BTC. And I wanted to say that strategy I call out BTC, you know. Hey, that anybody that have no Bitcoin in their wallet, I'm sorry for them. BTC called out on Saturday for a buy. And that was the bull run right there. For Saturday, the strategy called out a buy on BTC. And if you had the strategy, if you had the good strategy, you would have made some money on BTC. In a long-term wallet and also pan MT5. Because yes, you can trade BTC on your MT5 as well. Only on not on deriv. I wouldn't suggest you guys trade BTC on deriv because the spread big. The spread is very, very massive. If you want a broker, DM me for the broker. Actually, the broker in my link in my bio. One broker I use and trade BTC and its Apex, nothing more. You can't bother with the other broker them because for them spreads too big. I mean, not time for that. But yeah. All right. So, morning. But Leo, you're not even coming in the chat cause say good morning. That's not nice. That's not nice at all. That's not very nice. BTC just 822,000 smashing through new all-time high and it at 123 it there right now. The people in America wake up late. Late. So going over here. So how this ask me if I go to? And I tell me something beautiful. I owe this. I'm in the broke man and I can't bother with the broke man guys business. Coming in one, no man can't tell me say me beautiful. Me don't know say me beautiful. Cha. Ma Academy Scout UEFA qualified coach Academy Scout Southern Conference Southeast London. You probably have a little bit of money. Seems like a miserable morning. Why would it be miserable? I'm saying, all right, since me miserable, all are black. I'll come off for you. And don't tell about your mother in so early in the morning, please. I don't know so early for me after 12. Come off! Sure. Nonsense. All right. So let's go over the market as you know. Oh, yes, guys. In the meantime, what I need you guys to do is buy some ETH, buy some Ethereum, and buy some XRP. Those some of want to know. At the moment, today is what date? Come here. So you see when I tell everybody to buy BTC from a couple years ago, nobody wasn't listening to me until BTC reached 123,000. That's when everybody want to buy now. They might buy it at the high. But guess what BTC I could do to them? BTC I could pull back and them look at money I could gone. And by the time it push back up, it's just like when you trade normally. When you push back up now, the master Jesus Christ, we should put a little bit more money in the for leverage. So today is the 14th of July. Buy some ETH. It's now at 3,066 US dollars. And buy some XRP. It's now at $2.98. Buy some ETH and buy some XRP from now before them start the bull run like BTC. All right. Okay, so I never want to know. Because last time I want them, they never listen. Mm. Buy them something and put them on, guys. Trust me. You understand? Because look here. Come here. You see when them they're ready for buy? And it's not gonna be no normal buy. XRP is almost at $3. $3. One of the people that old a new version business. My time for updates. My God of Daniels. Morning. Okay. Is it? Yeah, right. Oh, I'm gonna drop the link in the chat, guys. Well, I'm gonna drop the link in the chat. For those who are in Jamaica, you can use CEX and buy some BTC and buy some things, guys. Well, I'm gonna drop it in the chat right now. Cause one thing with me, that me always put people on things. Yes, and always, always. All right. So let's see what's setting up here now. It's a UK 100. Let's see what gold is doing. All right, gold is pulling back. I mean, they call out gold last night for a buy. It end up pushing back down, coming back up. It's back. It's literally back up to the previous entry. So I'm waiting for for gold to set up right here. We have a previous support and resistance right here. So if we get a break and close, we can get into gold for the buy right here. All right. Let me see what I go on. Yes or no. All right, silver. Silver is pulling back down. It's in the eye right there. Let me see what oil is doing. All right, oil is also pulling back down. It's not ready yet. We need a break and close above here. Actually, we put oil per alert. You see Mexican. Not my favorite pair. It's kind of consolidating. Let me see what it's doing on the higher time frame. All right, we do have buyers in on the day. Still in a downtrend though, so I wouldn't get into this right now. Yeah, it's at a little era right there. So let me take off AUD JPY because I'm gonna trade that. USD JPY. Ooh, come here, come here, come here. Kuya, kuya, kuya. When you see me with the fire, kuya. All right, so we need a break and close. Actually, we don't. Because the strategy call out a buy right there, so. All right, guys. So USD JPY for a buy. We're using a strategy this morning. All right, so MetaTrader 5. MetaTrader 5. MetaTrader 5. USD JPY. All right. USD JPY. It's a little bit on the slow side, but it will still do. You're buying USD JPY now? Yeah. Call out a buy from a strategy right there. Let me see what price you had call it out. You had call it out at 145.51. You're not on my YouTube. Go to the link in my bio and come on my YouTube. I'm showing the strategy live. So if you want to see how the strategy works, it tells you when to buy or when to sell. You don't need to wait for no break and close and none of them foolishness there. The boxes are already there. So once you're above the support line, once you're above the support box, it's automatically a buy. Once you're below the red box, which is a resistance, then you're looking for a sell. But only if everything line up properly for you get in for your sell or for your buy. Guys, when I reach 1,000 top set now, come on the top the screen, man, so we can get 1,000 likes. All right. So in USD JP, actually I'm dropping today in the forex group. Yeah, so wait. All right, so let me see some here. So. All right, we're in a little bit of profit. All right, let me see if anybody on YouTube get it. Everybody in, guys, everybody in. All right. Oh, what is this on here? May have something new for me YouTube. What is this? Number one. We want to look a crown pan it 25 XP. Of course, me I said that day. Wonder if they give me the something when I saw welcome to the chat. Remember to that rare rated the Devin was one. Oh, it's top fans. Live chat. Some messages such as potential blah blah blah. All messages are visible. Devin was all. Of course, me I said that day. Probably I show me I go live often on YouTube. What yeah? When you see me step up in a life. Hi. Murderation. Timestamp. Me say, them upgrade me YouTube run ya so. Come look here. My dear of Daniels. Community moderation and them something here. Yeah, I give you community moderation. Oh, so we can have moderator over here too. They block out some of them people up here. Yeah. Good job. Well done, YouTube. Consistency is key. Consistency is key. All right. So let me give you guys a stop loss now. All right. So let me see. I want to learn for trade. Click the link in my bio. May I start answer on come by here go ask me question. So when I say morning, I don't say morning. When you come on here raw, I'm give it to you raw. Click the link in my bio. You want to learn for trade, link in the bio. All right. So the stop loss for USD JPY is 141.159. So that's USD JPY. We're in profit already. So for those who are just coming on, we do trade London session as well. So we do a London session, we trade on the forex side, and we trade on the VIX side. You're getting both of little things. You understand? Yeah. Both of it have two things. All right. I would just send requests. We're not playing a match. Match is not my style. All right. So that is one right there. All right. So let me get the long position right here. So we're in USD JPY for the buy. All right. Bam's the uncle. Right. So let's see. Let's check back on goal. Go so ready. Me say go so ready. Go so ready. Me say go so ready. All right, so we're waiting for a break and close above here. We delete back this. Third 30. That's not ready yet. Morning. Naz is not ready yet. US 30 though. Let me take off the strategy for a little bit. All right, so US 30 is almost ready. Almost. All right, so we're going to wait on that to set up. Let's see what we're going to say in the meantime. You see 51 is do a piece of sell off. And it's still going, you know, still going. Still going. And it come right down on the TP, you know. Right. Me say something is listen, it's so accurate until it's unbelievable. See when I come and put the long position, right where the TP area, the potential TP is, that's exactly where it went. Touch it, pull back up, and I come back down. My God. My God, I'm in a man like me. Why? Merciful Father. 25 one is there one is I play upscotch. I don't know what I do around here. Upscotch it I play from last night until now. I go to bed, wake up. It dey push up and a little bit of profit. They come back down, almost hit the stop loss, push back up to the entry, come back down. We're not doing this today. Trust and believe in Jesus Christ. We're not doing this today, 25 one is. Me I tell you the truth. We're not doing it today. Not doing it. Okay, we're not doing it. Mm-mm. Not doing it at all. Because if it do it like oh, it do it Thursday or Friday. I shall be crying to Jesus. Hallelujah. The market have a crowd a little bit today because it's from the weekend. So the market is gonna, you understand, it crawl a little bit. So if anything doesn't happen, if any big movements doesn't happen with gold, silver, and the commodities, then wood 30 is setting up. Then we'll have to wait until New York session, which is in about 2 hours. Yeah, 2 hours and 30 minutes. All right, so July 30 is setting up because July 30 is not a part of the US market. So you will get this move a little bit more than the US peers. So let's pull up July 30 spot right here. All right, so July 30, we have 30 seconds left on this candle. 30 seconds. We get a break and close right there. We can enter for the buy. Let me see what the strategy is saying. Okay, so it's saying they call out a look sell. It's been consolidating. So this is very, 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 very at a strong support. So once I get this candle push up a little bit more, it's gonna trigger off and call it off for your buy. So it's actually setting up. So I need everything right here to be green. So from the volume, we need a solid green candle. We have the trend line turn green already. We just need the EMA line to turn green. That's what activate the buy. So we're gonna wait for that to set up. All right. All right. All right, the buyers them coming in. Guys, if you're looking for a broker, click the link in my bio for the Apex broker. That's what I use to trade. Guys, when I go on my YouTube, I try to get everybody over YouTube. Click the link in my bio. You'll see the YouTube sign underneath. Click the link in the bio, come on my YouTube. More and more people on my YouTube. I thank you. But then I go see what me up on the screen. I go mute the call. I come on the YouTube. Morning, guys. I'm going to go on my YouTube. You're not going to strike me one time. Let me pay something more decent. All right. You can pay a little something there. Whoa. That's for me. Adoration. Let's get it. Yeah. Make it feel alright. Set your body free. At the door. Let's get it. You don't need no adoration. Let's get it. But every time, start to lose your mind. In our life. Hey, hey. At the door. All right, guys. So US 30 is in an uptrend at the moment. And as a guys can see with the strategy, right? The EMA line is green, right? We just had a break and close above this resistance right here. Sitting at the same place. So you see how it did its own break and close without me drawing up the charts. So this is the strategy that I use on my derivative chart as well. You understand? The strategy is already done for you. All you have to do is follow what the strategy said. The strategy says if you buy, you wait until the colors them line up green, you get into the market. So let me show you right here. You see right here, so it said to get into at 2:45 a.m. this morning, Monday morning. You start to get in for your buy, you have a solid green candle, the two EMAs are green, and your volume bar is green, right? Let me show you right here. Let me get a vertical line. So right there, so if you had the strategy and you had saw this, all you would have to do is get into the market. From where you entered from there to there, you would have been up in profit in 4 hours on US 30. It's slow, but it's getting there. You understand? That's how the strategy works. So it's the same strategy I use over derivative on the charts. You understand? Very, very simple. So this works with crypto, stocks, normal pairs, indices, commodities. So I don't have to do no chart markup around here. So the only thing I can add on is my long position or my short position, and that's it. The system is already done for you. System is already done for you guys. So you don't have to do nothing wrong yourself. All you have to do is follow instruction and that's it. If you buy, you wait until all of the colors them line up, you get in for the buy. If you sell, all of the colors them line up red, you get in for the sell. But you're still analyzing from the day. You understand? You're still analyzing from the day time frame and work your way down. Or you can analyze from the 4 hour and come down because this is forex, so it's a little bit slower. You understand? So yeah, that's it. That's it. Morning. All right. Let me see what USD JPY doing down there. Hey, USD JPY gone bought it business. Hallelujah, praise God. Why is this thing so big around here? So look here, work your body in yourself. So I don't know what's going on here. Why is it so massive? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. All right. But no work on yourself with this a chart here. Let me refresh it because I don't know what's happening here. But yeah, USD JPY is in profit, guys. So for those who can't trade VIX, you can trade forex. No, it's not gonna be as fast as well if the indices and the commodities set up the way we want it to, then yes. You understand you can make some decent money from that. But in the meantime, if they're not ready, then we'll wait until the market set up because the indices and the commodities they don't normally move during London session. They move normally in New York session. So right now we're still making money. We still make money off of the normal pairs just the same. You can make one look $5, one look $10, one look $20 just the same. You understand? One poker full basket. Trust me. Alright, let me delete this. Come in like how this has stay upon this here. Sure. Alright. So I normally use a long position. Make it see it. I normally use it anyway. But as you can see, guys, so you see right here, right? Where we did enter on the lower time frame, and as you can see, I'd call it out. And know that the strategy call it out for your buy. But now it's coming up to a previous resistant area, right? So what's gonna happen if we get a big shoot up? It's gone about it business. If we keep getting rejection like what it did over here, then it's gonna pull back down a little bit. So that's what's happening. Do you sell strategy? Yes, I do, but only for forex. Hi Malik. Thanks for the heart, me. Morning. DIA US is something as US 30. I'm not sure. Morning. What's the cost of the strategy? It's 100 pound they put 100 pounds. So 100 pound about 90 US or something like that. Cause you know the US week are yeah 100 pounds. If I work it out how much in dollars that in a Jamaican dollar. How much page you have? This one at the moment. And the next USA page, but I don't remember the login details. Any other page are fake pages. My big page gone, my level 28 page gone, so this I've gone panda panda panda. All right. Yeah, my big page is gone. All right. So in the meantime, let's go back up to the commodities. So normally when I'm using the strategy, guys, I use a 15-minute for the normal pairs with the strategy, right? Because there's a little there those pairs are a little bit slower. So I like to use the higher time frame for my entries. And then I use the 5 minutes for commodities and indices. All right, so that's already it. All right, guys, not so ready, not so ready. Not so ready, me say not so ready. Not so ready, me say not so ready. All right, we just need a break and close above this, the red box. Not so ready, me say not so ready. Guys, do make sure that you're subscribed. Do make sure that you subscribe to the channel, guys. Thank you very much. Do make sure that you're subscribed. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right. And if anybody wants to join the forex challenge, I do have a forex challenge as well. Well, with a forex challenge, we're only trading commodities and indices, but the only difference is the market is kind of slow. You understand? The market very very slow, especially right now. Slow, slow boat. You will get look one and two look movements, but it's slow bad. Comparing to VIX now, when you're trading VIX, you say yes, you're going just get started today and you can pay yourself today. You understand? So that's pretty much it right there. So I'll go and run it so in a John shop. Hey, 101 is gone. What it business? Sure, sure gone. A seashell. And this is set up back, Watch out. This is actually setting back up. Come down here, so go weak. There's still sellers in the candle. A little bit. Go back to your 5 minutes. Boom. Wait for your break and close right there. All right. We'll go back to you in a bit. All right, guys. Jury 30 almost ready. All right. So you see what's happening right here? So you have a solid green candle. The trend line down here is green. Your volume bar is green, right? But once this candle push up and touch this line, this is a line that the EMA line that activates the buy or the sell. That's what call out the signal. You understand? So once it go up and touch it, right, it will say buy. But we're not entering it until we get the candle above this line right here. So easy it is. Easy, 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 easy lemon squeezy. Very, very easy. I'm gonna see what gold doing in the meantime. They put what alert on gold already. It's gold retrace back down. So you see what's happening right here? All right, so you see like now where it call out for a sell, I'm not getting into gold for a sell because it's not selling on the higher time frame. Remember, you know, we still at work for the higher time, we still at work with the higher time frame. If there's buyers in control, what's happening on the lower time frame? It's retracements. So on the 5 minutes, it's yes, it's set to get in for a sell, but it's not selling. It's retracing back down for come back down to the green, for come back down to the green support box. If you respect the green box, it's like a push back up. You understand? That's how it works. It's bouncing from zone to zone right now. So you see like right over here, you had called out look here, and it did call out a buy this morning now. It did call out a buy at 1:10 a.m. my time, right? This is on a 5 minute chart. So this is perfect for those people who are scalpers. So if you're a person who scalp, this will work for you. You understand? Because you can scalp on the 5 minute alone. As soon as you say get in for your buy, you get in. Boom. You reach up to the red box, you see the red box start print, you take out your profit. Wait until it come back down again. Wait till it call out back a next buy. And I saw you bounce it up, bounce it up, bounce it. I'm not a scalper, so I could be in my trade probably the whole day if it a buy, if you keep buying. You understand? So where it call out a sell right here, I wouldn't get into this. Because it's not selling on the higher time frame. I work off of the higher time frame. You understand? Yeah. All right. So we're still waiting on Jur 30. I need it. Yeah, you're on the YouTube, Shanique. Shanique. If you're on the YouTube, you will see how it work. You won't be able to see what's happening on my screen here. My YouTube link is in my bio. All right. So as you can see right here, we have a new candle out, but we're still waiting. So as you can see, the volume of build up, that means the buyers are coming into the market bit by bit, bit by bit. You understand? Because um we're approaching New York session. Oh, you're on YouTube. Okay, yes. You're live on YouTube. Yes, I'm live on YouTube. The link is in my bio for my YouTube. So with this strategy, you don't need to do no drawing up, guys. Nothing at all. You understand? Nothing at all. So what I'm gonna do, it they do come with alerts, you know, the strategy come with alerts. But I forgot to reach out back to the person to get the alerts and back up and running. So when you guys make a payment, right, all you have to do is create your trading view name, create your trading view profile, send me the name, right? You send me the name, and then I add it on for you. Because if you search for it, you won't be able to access it like that. If you search for it right now in your trading view, um, you're gonna see it locked. Only persons who paid get access to it. It's not a free strategy, right? Once you make the payment, I add you into the strategy group, into the Discord, where you get the alerts as well, because it come with alerts. So the alerts, just like how it's telling you on the chart, the alerts go off in the chat as well. So if you say if you buy gold under 5 minutes, it's £100. So if the alert tell you for buy in the chat, which is a little bot that connects to this, when you come onto the chart, you're going to look if everything line up first before you get in for your buy. It's not the alert go off and say if you buy US 30 or gold or whatever. You're not following the alert alone. You have to still come onto the chart and see if everything line up first before you get in. That's how it works. You understand? So yeah. So hold on there. Let me see something. All right, it's coming up to the line now. £100. Let me work it out. How much is £100 again? I mean, I remember because my head all over the place. Cause I throw the dollar up and down business. So £100. I believe £100 me did put in at something, you know. Because that's the strategy. No, the strategy for me to keep it on here, I have to keep going. Me have to pay a premium. Premium at £60 per month. So me can't sell it cheap. And then the money that me have to pay trading view every month. You know cheap. I have to pay to have my strategy on the platform. That's why I still have it going. You know what money I make out of me? Sure. Let me say in US dollars. USD. 134 US dollars. That's for the strategy. 134 US dollars. So the minute you don't pay, it cut off by itself. You can't access it. So if you pay for it 1 month and you say, okay, make enough money or whatever the case may be, you just go in and cancel it yourself if you want to. If you still make money, you don't need to cancel it. You trade and make the money over there. So you can say, okay, me I put on this to pay for the strategy. I want to TikTok, yes, man. That's why I'm not like company now. Guys, me I got the over YouTube. Me can't bother. Them something that piss me off. No, I don't have. Me no remember if me set up a unlimited. I haven't set it up where you can buy lifetime. Um, yeah, I didn't set it up unlimited. I do it per month. Yeah, TikTok I give me restriction, guys. Me I got the over YouTube. Me I could come off. Cause one little restriction, my account gone. I mean, I no time for you for that something right now. Be over YouTube, guys. The link in my bio. Can't bother with TikTok right now. Don't piss me off. Me no know. Me I wonder if the words that me I say that's triggering off TikTok. Because nothing can go so. No man, it must be the words that what me I say because me did the attack. Remember my face, me I show you now. I'm showing my face. All the people that must say, um, the people that must give me restriction. Look at ya, I don't want to tell TikTok bad things in the idea, you know. Oh, hey, Shaniki. No, I don't want to tell them bad things. So me, Me go load TikTok for now. Me I go back on for the rest of the day. Trust me. Cause they pissing me off. Them a piss me off right through. Cause nothing can go so. I think, you know what cause the problem? I think they are they a pick up on certain words. Yeah, too sensitive, man. Too sensitive. It look like the only thing you can go up and they could do is play music and play a match. That's all. It look like they don't want you hear you talk about nothing money wise. Unless I think so. So when I get for notice as well, when you're in a match, them not trouble you, right? When you play a match pan there, them not trouble you. But once you're in front of the screen and you talk about anything money wise, I just me I wonder I suck up them thing them banana my accounts. Cause when me did a talk on there, me did a show my face and all me did a talk about the trading and then banana my account. Same thing with the other one. Me I go give them a walk. All me I go do a play a game pan and come off. Them too sensitive. Me can't bother with them. Too sensitive. May I tell you the truth? They're getting on top of my nerves. I think that's what their butt is picking up. So when them hear you talk about trading and forex, you understand, and them it look like them have one thing like with them filter. When them hear people are talk about certain things, the butt pick it up and just banana your account. Eh? You know, I go again. I'm sorry about that one day. So I that I go on in a John shop. When I look on them. So when you see them, they because me I try to add it up and then I match up. If somebody did for report the live, right? Every time they report the live about the same thing for their scam, you understand? Look at YouTube. YouTube, you talk anything over here. Well, me don't know about anything, but so far, them not trouble traders. You understand? You can depend on YouTube all day. And YouTube no trouble you. The only thing them trouble you about the copyright music. And that's it. No man. Me I start come over yourself. Never piss me off. Mm-mm. They are pissing me off. Me now go back over there. I'm sorry about that one. They let me in a somebody box. That's it. Me not going back over there. Cause nothing can go so. Not a thing can go over yourself. Mm-mm. Alright, so let me see something else. So no. Alright, guys. Does everybody have a forex account, guys? Everybody have a forex account? The only thing with YouTube, I think sometimes it's a little bit delayed. That's the only fault I have with it. It's kind of delayed sometimes. Murderation. 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 All right. Let me look for now. The Telegram, 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 Telegram. All right, so this is a broker that I use, guys. When you do top up, you'll get a bonus, right? So you When you top up, they give you a bonus, and you can use that bonus to trade as well. Yeah, you get a bonus. I could drop it in the chat so you can sign up to it. I'm in the chat there. And paste. Alright, so we're supposed to can pin this, you know. Yeah, pin message. Before me could do them something here, you know. TikTok upgrade me something here. I upgrade my live stream. Cause first time I never see them, me never have access to them pin something there. May I tell you? Oh, this is the CEX. No, not that one, guys. Wait. That's the CEX. Hold on. That's not the one. That's the one for the crypto, guys. If you want crypto, you guys can create your crypto wallet with that one. But that's not the one I want. And that's the one I want. See it here. Da da dee da da da. Da da dee da 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 dee. Alright, yes. Alright, send. Alright, boom, pin. Alright, so you should see pin just now, guys. Hold on, if we find a more.
The heavy flowers, the butt checkers, and the wedding pickers with a pad made like no other, up to 0 leaks with a super.
All right, 8 seconds to go, guys. 8 seconds to go.
Things to pick you. The zero feeling because it's made of smart though. Always flex protect with the new period. You stop the leaks, you stop the yawns. And now improve pants. There's stop and protect pocket to help stop leaks at the back, so everyone can sleep better and wake up ready to go again.
All right, so you see what's happening right here? So you see the volume coming green, the two line them now green. We have a new candle above, right? Watch out, see what's going to happen. All right, we are going to John shop right now. Turn this down. So now we enter in a John shop. This is on Jar 30, guys. So get ready. As soon as it say buy, we not go buy. Yes, and me I showing all the strategy work. So when I did do it with the alerts, I believe I did it. I believe I did it when it called out the buy, the second candle. Once the second candle activates and start push up, that's when the buy would pop up. So I want to know watch it first and see how it works. But remember the market is slow right now because today is Monday, you understand? So this is it slow right now. Once you have this strategy, man, you don't need not more for forex. You understand? So you guys cannot make money over forex and you make money over VIX just the same. For those who can. If you only can trade forex, you stick to the forex and you understand you will still make money here and there. It's not gonna be as fast as oh you make money over the VIX, but it's still something once the indices and the commodities are moving. You understand? So yeah. All right. By Jar 30, guys. By Jar 30. We in the money. We in the money. We in the money. We in the money. See that? That's how you know what's the minute? I don't do a thing. I never touch a chart. I never touched the charts. All I did was wait until it says buy. That's it. You understand? Yes, I could get pulled back here and there, but it said buy. Right? So this is on the 5 minutes, guys. Right? This is on the, so you wait for your entry on the 5 minutes. Then you go to your 15 minutes. You're going to put your stop loss underneath this green box, which is underneath your support. Right? You put your stop loss underneath this green box right here. And that's it. You don't need to set no TP. If you want to set TP, hold on. Let's tell you what to do. If you want to set TP, you scroll up, right? Scroll up, find the red box, and you put your TP right here above the red box. Simple. Clap your hands. Clap your tiny hands, clap your tiny hands, clap your tiny hands for joy. Yeah, that's it. So simple that is. Now I wish we could not get this over VIX. We not have to do nothing. We not have to say 40, 39 or 30. Eh? If we ever have this over VIX, man, problem. Jesus. May I tell you? May I tell you, if we ever have this a strategy over VIX, me say everything done for mash up. I tell you, you not listen to me, but you not listen to me at all. All right, guys. So the stop loss is going to be 23952.9. 23952.9 for the stop loss on J 30. That's all you have to do. You don't have to put in no TP. Hold on. This is something here. So, because these are, no, that's fine. So that's all you have to do, guys. Wait until they tell you when to get in for a buy. Wait until they tell you to get in for a sell. That's it. But you're waiting for the setup. As long as you have a break and close above the support box, which is your green box right here, then you're looking for buys. Right? It has to be above it before you get in. You can't even stay up on the 5 minute and scalp all day. Yeah, son? You can stay up on the 5 minutes and scalp and scalp and scalp and scalp. Each time you get one red box resistance, you come out of your trade or you move your stop loss up in profit. Each time you push up, it will keep creating the boxes. It does it for you automatically. You don't have to do nothing more. You sit on the 5 minute right now, you're getting for the buyer. So by the time you push up right here, so you move your stop loss in profit. Because this is a previous resistance area. If you get a break and close above this, boom, you're gone in if you want a second position. You keep pushing up again. You keep pushing up, and that's how you have milky market. Let me not tell you, say, when I was with the previous company and they had the strategy over there similar to this, I was milking it every day, every night. US 30, NAS, JER 30, gold, silver, be them something that me I trade. Where those things me a trade? You wanna get me trade? We never know about VIX them the time, man. We didn't know nothing about VIX, me I tell you. Cause if we didn't know about VIX them the time there, me I tell you say, what? Mm-hmm. I have some old videos on my hey, you was already set up though. I have some old videos on my YouTube. I go unhide them so you guys can watch it and see how it works. So all right, so New York session is coming out in a bit, right? So you see what's happening? Look here. If you had a strategy, it told you to get into a buy from 2:45 a.m. I think that's my time, right? It did call out for your buy. You would have get see a second candle right here. Call out everything line up green. You're getting for your buy. It's been consolidating since then, but you still would have been in profit, right? With this now, we're under 5 minutes. You're waiting for a break and close above this red box. I don't have to put no line there. I don't have to put no line there because the box is already there as confirmation. As soon as I get a new candle above, you're in for the buy. Simple. These are buying on the higher time frame, so we don't need to look on there. They're in a bull run at the moment. So my lower time frame, I'm only looking for buys, nothing more. If the strategy call out a sell, it's a fake sell. It's a fake out. May I tell you, bad as this year, bad as. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So that's all you have to do, guys. Just patiently wait. Yes, and remember these are forex pairs, so they might could slightly be a little bit slower, right? Than the fixed pairs. But you still have to make money just the same. If you don't want to use the strategy, you can do the naked chart. All right, guys. NAS 100 for the buy. That's what is it on here? So let me see. So US 100 spot. The lowest lot size is 0.01. All right, we're in the money. So I don't need to wait for the buy to call out because the lines are already green. Yes, and this is my break and close candle right here. So right now, everything is lined up green. That's it. Yes, son. So you don't need to sit down and wait for the buy because the buy is still active from down here. So this strategy as well teach you how to stay in your trade is a little bit longer. You understand? It teach you how to stay in your trades a little bit longer as a swing trader. You understand? So once I enter my 5, you can even mark the candle if you want as as confirmation. You can mark it. Watch out. I don't want text. What's the matter with this thing here? Hold on. So you mark the candle. So that's your entry candle right there. When you go to your 15 now, we're still in our 15-minute candle. You come around here, put your stop loss underneath this area. Mark it red. Your stop loss now is 22635.6. So NAS 100, which is US Tech, which is US 100 spot on Apex. Your stop loss is now 22635.6. As long as the trade keep pushing up, you're in profit. You understand? So we're in what? 2 trades so far, 3 trades so far. Let's see what US 30 is doing. So US 30, we're waiting for the this candle to pull. Right now, there's no volume in the market. So you see how the volume flatline, and if candles up here just have move sideways, you don't want to get into this yet. Yes, we have a break and close above the red box, but the EMA line needs to turn green for me to enter. So we need everything green. Morning. All right. So you see when you see the arrow come out, guys, the arrow is indicating that buyers are now coming into the market. That's what the arrows mean. So see them here? Anytime you see the pop up, it means that buyers are now in the market. Right? So it says warning you and saying, okay, Kim, get ready for a buy. You understand? So you will see the red arrows. The red arrows is indicating that sellers are coming into the market. The green means that buyers are coming in. That's what it means. You understand? So if you had the strategy and it had called out a buy from 2:45 a.m., you could have still been in this trade, guys. You understand? It's slow, but it's sure. Look here. You can mark it out like that, go by your 15, and look at that. Beautiful push up. Yeah, son, beautiful, beautiful. By them the time they may asleep. Yeah, count moon a jump over star. Yeah, son. So see it there, guys. So you can see everything line up right here, so green right across the board. You could have still been in a this for your buy. Yeah, son. I saw it go. Very, very simple. So I went over Vixie side. Vixie. Uh-uh. 25 one is still not nothing. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, 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 mm. All right, so gold is pushing back down. Want to come back down is to come retest back these areas. If it come that far. Mm, 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 mm. Oh crap, me never check the news, you know? Watch out. So when you with forex, guys, so this is the headache when me no miss. You have to check the news in the morning before you start trading with forex. I remember not more news. Mighty God of Daniels. Why? Okay, not going today. Europe have bank holiday. All right. USD never have no news. My God, me just a member. Just a member. So the website that you use to check your news in the morning is Forex Factory. All right, I'm gonna drop it in the chat. Forex Factory, make sure to save it. So that's the website you check every morning before you start trading. You understand? Because this work with the stocks market, it's it's designed and controlled by the world. You understand? So you have to make sure that you check the market first before you get in at anything. That's what I used to trade in VIX and I used to check news. Sure. Nonsense. Morning. All right, so see right now it's not ready yet. It's there playing about. We're gonna get a lot of consolidation because today on Monday. So go on ahead. We'll come all the way down and so. If we get a break and close below this area, we get in for a sell. Let's wait to do on the day first. All right, it reverse on the day candle. All right. And again.
Meet the world's first smart IPL that learns and adapts to your skin. Brawl Smart IPL. Focus my beauty routine. Personalized guidance and real-time coverage feedback to stop hair growth straight from the roots. Visible results in just 3 weeks. Brawl Smart IPL. 1 year of smooth skin.
I all know choice. Right? Get iPhone 16 Pro Max in the Vodafone summer sale and save up to £588 when you trade in. Yours from £49.50 per month. Hurry, ends 5th of August. Go in-store from Vodafone iPhone 16 Pro Max.
I like the term, you're almost like a savage scholar, and it's knowing when to do both. So there are times when you can sit down, you can speak to your team, and you say, I'm just thinking of electrolytes, I'm lots of lucky to do. And that's your talking as a scholar.
This is a million small things going. The experience, attention, and expertise of your checker trade group level, creating a feeling that all's right with the world. And if you don't notice it, well, that's kind of the point. From plumbing to roofing to electrics, for a job done right, download the Checker Trade app. around like how I feel who I am, I get you not go. Now, but even say, I won't say, expecting you want to stay, but something wrong, others been all the way. The dream so clear when I walk the door. I just don't want things. Whoa, don't wanna tell me, don't feel the same. 'Cause I heard you call
All right, guys, we're not it's still playing around at entry, but it's pushing up bit by bit with Nas. 030 now, back up to entry. Mm, 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 mm. They said as them coming with 75. Mm, 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 mm. Boy, look like everything slow right across the board around here, so slow, slow, slow. Mm, 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 mm.
Problem starts. But Oral-B is different. Unlike many toothpastes, Oral-B keeps shielding teeth in between brushing. So you start clean and end with a healthy clean. Oral-B, the clean that never stops. There's no peace of mind if the dishes are still soaking in the back of your mind. But with new Fairy Skip the Soak Power Spray, you just spray it onto the dish and load it in. The grease just melts away. And when I hand wash, a quick and I get the power of an overnight soak in minutes. And a sparkling clean on kitchen worktops. New Fairy Skip Soap Power Spray. Whether you're flexing your muscle or flexing you looks. John Georgians from just £4.50 a week. In Georgia.
You're gym for £4. Wonder if I show them at all. Why do some forex market? My God, I first never see my wait so long for a trade for set up. Why, brother to Samantha? If you follow this a forex market, gonna drop asleep. My God, up that hills around here. No, sometimes I have to thank God for VIX, I swear. Because look how long we still as I wait and I may understand so today on Monday, so that's why it normally see up on Monday. Oi, brothers to Samantha. Me sit down with so we sit down here so I wait for what we kill fill up. Although sometimes I saw the VIX market state, you know. You have to sit down and wait out for them to set up. One piece I sit down. May I tell you, people not understand that these things take time, you know. Lord God. Listen, so when you hear people say them a charge enough money, you can't blame them. May I tell you the truth? You cannot blame them when they might charge them money because if you do all of this, take time. You eat out your time. You understand? I know somewhere you just get up and say, oh, me I can learn of a trade. You have to mentally be prepared for them or something. Yeah. Because the market will sit down, you will sit down on the laptop all day and not even remember to eat. Hi, Jesus. Mm-hmm. You will sit down on the laptop all day and you say, oh, yes, it's so set up. And by the time I say it's so set up, you did run the laptop for the next 1, 2 hours. Nothing. Mm-hmm. People don't understand with trading, whether you trade stocks, crypto, normal pairs, forex, indices, VIX, all of them move. You understand? So when I'm ready, what are them? Mhm. All of them move slow, just the same. It's something will take time. When you hear people that say, "Oh, gotcha, you was trying to jump out this car to mama." Mhm. Mm. Drop out of the sky. Mm, 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 mm. Let me see what it's doing on the day. So on the daytime frame, the day candle for today isn't it's not giving us a true direction yet. It's in an uptrend, you know. It's been an uptrend from Trump come out contact, but there's not enough buyers or sellers in the market for me to call it up there sell. So that's our weekly right there, and that's our monthly. So we still have buyers in on the monthly candle. So we still have 17 days left for the new month candle to finish. For the monthly candle to finish, it reached to our previous structure, reached to our previous resistance, but that candle might pull up back for the buy at any time. It's been buying since March. March is April. It's been buying since March. Since April, sorry. So yeah. Mm-mm-mm. The 30 day still playing about. That's 100 playing about as well. What might do come back down to the green box, come retest this area, and then we'll see what happens. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, 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 mm. Let me see. What do the different folders mean? For why would I suggest say so? Oh, you mean on Forex Factory? So the yellow folders mean there are normal news. It doesn't affect the market. The gray folder means bank holiday. The orange folder means minor. And when you see a red folder, it means it's a major news. That's what it means. So like which day is this? This is Tuesday. So on Tuesday, which is tomorrow, they have a whole lot of red folder news for Canada and the USA. So these red folder means CPI. These are news that affect the market, the forex market only, not the VIX. So when you see the market, you will see some candles start push down or push all the way up based on what the outcome of the news is. So if the CPI is low, you might get the market drop, right? If the CPI is high, you might get the market push up based on what the result comes out with. So these numbers over here is just a forecast. So you have the previous and then you have the forecast, what they're expecting it to be. You understand? So the last time this was 0.1% core CPI, and they're forecasting, they're predicting that it might be up 0.3. So if this does turn out to be that it's up, then we might get the market drop or we might get it pushed back up. So yeah, one out of the two. But that's what I don't miss in Forex, the news business. To be honest, I told you me I tell you. When we start trade VIX, last year, February, I didn't even look on the Forex chart. When I look at trading view, the best thing about this now with the strategy, you can have it on your trading view on your phone. It does have an app. So I don't know if you guys know TradingView as an app itself that you can download on your phone, and if you have the strategy on there, all you have to do is wait for it to show you the buy or the sell on the app, and you go by your MT5 and press buy or sell. So that's the best thing about this. So that's why I tell them say, if we get this over VIX, man, listen, the whole Jamaica get on board. I tell you, everybody. Mm-hmm. Mm, 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 mm. Mr. Vibes Cartel, come mash up England. One piece of problem. My happy 15 still call. Hey, you know how long you want to come to England? My God of Daniels. He wanted to come to the UK, so tell him shut. Long, long time.
Day calls enough. Something glorious awaits. Our new heat-reducing, cool-to-touch Ultra Gel collection. So tonight, greatness is yours for the taking. Silent Night. Sleep great, Britain. From silentnight.co.uk.
$200 million Ponzi scheme. And guess what? We're not getting that. 2021, the year, right? I just want like the segment of L that are leading to her justice. Because I'm coming up with 20 to 24. That topped in a $200 million Ponzi scheme. Like some money, yeah. We're not getting on like that.
Watch out for the seafood cocktails. The flavors are crushing traditional.
Are you one of those businesses still paying for that income account? I'm about to get life. That means you do.
All passengers dead in crash of plane from the UK to Netherlands. Jesus Christ. My God. Jesus Christ. Wanna come look here? What is saying to me? Oh my God. Everybody in the plane dead. What a one going with the plane here? My God. Jesus Christ. The plane crash, kill everybody. No, I did India, no, the UK. Lord God of His mercy. But no fear go on good for himself, man. No for the pan tour. Why them said determination and keys is a route to success. Cause look how long him there at Jamaica and him MC and never get to travel before. But he probably go Caribbean country and him something, but he never go a big foreign yet. Can you imagine? All right, guys, get ready for US 30. If you're still in the NAS 100, go about it business. US 100, gone, gone, gone. All right, guys, buy US 30, buy US 30, guys. Buy US 30, buy US 30. Buy US 30, buy US 30, shake it down. Buy US 30, shake it up. Buy US 30, shake it down. Buy US 30. All right, we're gonna give you guys a stop loss now. All right, so the stop loss is going to be 44083.6. So 44083.6. So US 30 for the buy. All right, everybody in, guys, everybody in. US 30 for the buy. Just in case. I make him tonight. That's gone about it business. Whoa. All right. All right. What would you say coming now? Uh-uh. 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 All right, so you see what gold did now? So let me say, I'm not looking for a sell on gold. Look what gold do. Come back down, find support. You see the green box print out by itself. The green arrow pop out, warning you that buyers are coming back into the market right here. See this? That's a warning right there. Buyers are getting ready to come back into the market. We have a solid green candle. We need the volume to be green, right? In this case, because the EMA is so far away, we can actually enter gold now for your buy, guys. So buy gold now. So get into gold for the buy. Quick or fast, guys. Quick or fast. All right. So gold for the buy. Get in quick, guys. Get in quick. Gold for the buy. So this is our entry candle right there. All right, boom. Go to your 15 minutes. You're gonna set your stop loss underneath this area. You can set it underneath this green box right here. You don't want it underneath the red because it's too far away. All right. So that's your previous resistance, previous support. So we're gonna drag this up now. All right. So boom. Stop loss. All right, guys. So the stop loss for gold is going to be 3345.1. So 3345.1 for the stop loss. So that's XAUUSD for the buy. Hey, US 100 gone. Murder to Samantha. Whoa, shake up your body. No, sir. Canadian rapper has allegedly been stabbed in London here. What the backside you said to me? So the fan can have to go and get killed over here. But what is to backside? No, sir. What did my place are going too bad? Too bad. Alright, so US 30 is pulling back a little bit, but it should continue pushing back up. Alright, so we in those trades for now, guys. And that's it. New York session is going on wonderful. This is the time. So when I start though, a daytime is come on 2:30 UK time. So 2:30 UK time would be 8:30 Jamaica time for London session. For New York session, sorry, New York session. I realize that the market not move that much in a London session. So that's what we're gonna do. Oh, you did you okay? Yeah, you can actually pull back the live because it's live. You can actually pull it back. I just have to see the comments. So when the live end, you can actually go back and watch it because it's saved. All right, you guys supposed to be in a little bit of profit and goal. So if you guys want to trade the gold and the indices for the compound challenge, the link is in my bio on my YouTube. Let me see how much we did set it for. Hold on. So when you click the link in the bio, you're gonna see the options. So you have the derivative broker right there, the VIX compound challenge, the lifetime VIX signal, and then you have gold and indices signals. So this is only for forex only. The strategy, I don't know if we did have a strategy on this, you know. No, me need to add it back on. So for anybody that wants to get the strategy that I'm using, I'm gonna be I'm gonna add it back on. Make sure you join the free group as well for updates and trades and stuff like that. My job trades now and then in there, not every day. Cause that defeat the purpose of people coming into the VIP group. So yeah, I can add back on the strategy on there. We can get it on. Ooh, US 30 gone, man. Mighty God of Daniel. Boy. Gone or water.
in everyone. Whatever you're here for, we're here for it.
The Quell Solo booth offers an ergonomic, comfortable, and convenient space. The way you want to take or make a confidential phone call.
So somebody anonymous invested 7,800 into Bitcoin in 2011 and recently logged into it and saw $1.1 billion. My God of his Daniels. Are we running something now? Take it serious now? Take what serious?
Vegas in 2022. We all noticed that Mary's eyes could move. She even needed assistance to manually adjust them. Number 3, Jocelyn Rubenstein. She was once a high society socialite in the United States and captured the heart of a billionaire jeweler in her youth. However, 20 years later, as she aged, Jocelyn began undergoing numerous cosmetic surgeries in an attempt to win back her husband, who had frequently cheated on her. To please her husband, she even had her eyes reshaped into the cat eyes he liked. Over the course of 20 years, she spent $30 million on cosmetic procedures.
Yeah.
Number 4, Anastasia Pogreshchuk. This Ukrainian influencer started undergoing cosmetic surgery at the age of 26. She is highly obsessed with facial fillers and has stated that her cheeks are still a bit small and not perfect enough. She plans to continue with more fillers. Number 5, Lim Kim, who many people consider her a pioneer of American rap. However, when Kim appeared on MTV with a new face, it shocked everyone. She had undergone cosmetic surgery, and her fans could hardly recognize her.
Uncle Daniels. Yeah, but not easy at all.
Having Bitcoin in mind that it was the Napster digital assets. What I mean by that is Napster was the first to digitize music, but ultimately they were circumventing trademark laws, they were circumventing royalty payments, and stepped in, and Napster was not successful. But Spotify, iTunes, Pandora, they were very successful. I think what you'll find is that maybe the next generation of digital assets ends up solving some of the original problems that Bitcoin set out to solve. This XRP, the next Bitcoin, if we work with the system to solve this problem, and we can solve that problem at scale, a problem measured in trillions of dollars, there's a lot of opportunity to create value in XRP.
And Garlinghouse does bring up a good point. Now, I don't think XRP can replace Bitcoin, but I think it can get very close to Bitcoin's market cap. Bitcoin is on its way to hit about 250,000. That puts the market cap right around 5 trillion. XRP rose with Bitcoin in this bull market. The regulatory issues and the lawsuit was dropped, and we saw some adoption. We can see that market cap in XRP get to about $2 to $3 trillion. That will put a price of one XRP at about $45. Now I think 8 to 20 is more likely. Even at $45 mark is still pretty conservative. Was XRP the next Bitcoin? I don't think so. I think they both can coexist and thrive together. Now the XRP supply is further restricted because of RLUSD. In RLUSD, a portion of XRP is effectively locked as a reserve and not active and circulating in the market. XRP is solving a completely different problem. It's fixing an inefficient system that transfers trillions of dollars. Bitcoin is more like gold, XRP is more like electricity. Both are incredibly valued, but in different ways. Gold is valuable because it's rare. It is a story.
Thank you, content. Fast delivery, following entertainment. It's on time for $8.99 a month. For more of this and less of this. Stop the leaks, stop the yawns, Pampers.
Yeah, and Optus is the playground. Optus Zero accounting software, I can keep my tax card fine.
So I can focus on growing my business.
Here to say 23-year-old Lontre Clark was angry that his friend and ex-girlfriend were dating, that he allegedly threw a Molotov cocktail into the Austin neighborhood apartment where they were, sparking a fire that killed 4 people, including his best pregnant cousin and her young son.
It's an uphill
Look at the
journey.
backside.
The journey has not yet begun.
Jesus Christ, okay. And some things at my America, no, sir. I recommend buy and own in Bitcoin. If you were to buy Bitcoin, you'd have to do that from a long time. Can't buy it now because it's in a bull run right now. So unless it come back down, go retest back in the 100,000s, it's too late for you to buy. You should not buy that long time. It was at 110,000 the 10th, today the 15, today the 14. But when me I tell everybody to buy Bitcoin, they need to listen. See XRP, they reach at $3. See that? All of them are something I'm mark them out and tell people buy them from early. And you can't wait until the market and move up before you buy them or something. Yeah. XRP, you can still buy it now, yes, because it's still cheap. Buy some and put them down. You understand? ETH, before ETH push back up to 4,000 or 5,000, buy some from now. So when it a push up, you are already in there and I make some interest on top of your crypto. Bitcoin too late to get into right now unless it gives us a big pullback. Two buy. Yeah, you're buying and owning it because it's pushing up. You know, I could buy and sell it back at the same time. You could buy it and hold it long term. It's a long-term investment. It's not, you're not trading it on your MT5. You're trading it long term in your wallet. So that's why it's a wallet, because you're buying it and holding it. You're not buying it and selling it back. You buy it and just left it in there, make it do what it want to do. Yeah. I don't trade it on MT5. I just buy and hold it in my wallet. Yeah, I don't trade it on MT5. All of the crypto them, I have them long term in my wallet. I don't buy them, I don't trade them on my MT5. All of them. XRP, ETH. The main ones I have is just these 3. XRP, ETH, and BTC may have long term. So I don't trade them anymore. Well, I never used to trade ETH and XRP. We just used to buy a whole. But we used to trade BTC on Apex. But with them now, because it keeps going up, the spread is too big. So I'm not bother trade it again. Because them take the spread's too much. And if you trade it on And Apex, you have to have anything from about $100 upwards in your account for trade it. So you have to be mindful if you have find a broker where you can trade it and then not charge so much for the spreads, then yes. Like Cash App. So yeah, you can buy and hold on Cash App, but Cash App is not suitable for a long-term investment. Cash App, I just put some money in there and you can hold it for a bit. You need crypto.com. So get a crypto.com wallet or a Coinbase wallet or a CEX wallet. When they drop the CEX wallet further up in the group, in the chat here. So scroll up and you will see the link for the CEX. Create an account on there and buy some crypto and leave in there. Talk about XRP, I could buy some right now too. Buy some more. Cause when XRP ready for I'll reach up in the $10, 20, 40 here. Me just watch something where the guy say XRP could be going up to $45 because BTC a push, the rest of the coins them could follow now. So you can see XRP push, you can see ETH push, you can see all of the other coins them start push up because Bitcoin is the leader. You understand? And the rest of them are follower. So you see that how BTC reach 120,000 now. XRP automatically reach $3. It was $2 something when we come on just now. When we come on earlier, I see they reach $3 already. You understand? By the time you're going to reach 5, by the time you're going to reach 10, by the time you're going to reach 30, 40, 50 and a galang up so, then the time they can't even go buy it because it's too expensive. You understand? When we just a command on TikTok, me tell you, XRP was about 98 cents. 98 cents when we just come on TikTok in a couple years ago. About 2022, me come on TikTok or 2023. One of them. And BTC was down at 15,000 at the time. When everybody I said, oh my God, BTC could crash, ray. I mean, I tell them, so if you buy BTC, a couple people listen. Couple. I tell you, a couple people had listen. The rest of the people, them, oh, yeah, it a go crash, it a go down. It a go down. That's not about to go up, that now about to go up, and BTC end up pushing all the way back up to 100,000. I understand, or 70,000, and retrace back again, and push back up again, and now we reach back at 100,000 or 120. Look here, yeah. I can't bother with them people that me there. So £50 worth of XRP, that'll go give me 21.5 XRP right there. So if you buy £500 worth, that'll give you 213 XRP at the price now. And the max you can buy a £1,650. That'll give you 702 XRP. You understand? Me not joke. Yeah, so that are the weekly. That are the weekly, the most you can put money for the week. Even if I want to look at $10 worth of XRP, buy it and put it down, guys. Buy it and put it down. Trust me. You can't go wrong. You cannot go wrong. But anyway, guys, me I could jump off. I am going to warm up some food. I will see everybody later on. Oy, brother. So I have a big session at in a bit, so I could jump off and then I'll see everybody else on the Zoom later on. All right, guys, remember to secure your profits on the trades. Keep an eye out on them. Yeah, keep an eye out on the trades them and secure your profit as you go along. Or move your stop loss in profits. All right, guys, later on.